So you want to boost engagement and brand your Medspas professionally, but you want to save time and money. Well, you're in the right place. I'm Jeremy, Creative Director and Marketing Specialist at JC Creative Media, and in today's video, I'm going to be walking you through our Botox and Filler Social Media Marketing Kit. This kit includes over 450 templates and it's available in 4 different color editions. It makes it easier than ever for you to promote your business, build your brand, and engage your audience on social media. This set includes over 450 templates broken down into 4 social media sizes to fit any platform. That means you can post to Instagram, Facebook, or pretty much any other social channel, and it means you can A/B test your audience with different sizes and dimensions to see which one they respond best to. The first type of content we have is branding content. These are templates to help build your brand and introduce your business. These posts are perfect for showcasing your professionalism and making a really strong first impression. They're also great for helping you to relate to your audience and for humanizing your brand. Next, we have educational posts. These are posts designed to inform your audience about Botox and filler services, which can help you build credibility and trust. Educational posts are really great for those who may be on the fence about Botox and filler services, and they're also great for those who are already sold on Botox and filler services but aren't sure if you're the right nurse instructor for them. It can help showcase your expertise and your authority in your field. Then we have engagement content. These templates are key to getting your audience to interact with your posts, encouraging questions and comments, and they start meaningful conversations. So if you've been shopping around for templates, you'll notice that a lot of template creators say that their templates are engaging, and what they mean by that is that they stop the scroll. However, at JC Creative Media, we understand what engagement means and what it can do for your account, and we've actually built posts that encourage engagement, true engagement with your content. That means you'll have people liking, commenting, sharing, and saving your posts. These things help tell Instagram to push your content out to more people because you're providing valuable content that people love and want to interact with. And finally, of course, we have sales and promotion content. These are posts that highlight your latest deals, services, and offers, and they're designed to drive bookings and sales. So with these 4 content types, you'll be able to create a really well-rounded social media strategy that covers every base. It'll help you build relationships and drive conversions. So all JC Creative Media templates are designed by professional graphic designers. However, we're the only company that's offering a full-fledged social media strategy mixed into your marketing templates. That means we're providing you what a social media manager or a content creator would provide in your content. Each template we provide in our kit has an actual purpose. It's something that's not only going to help you stay consistent, but it's also going to help convert your followers and views into paying clients and customers. This is extremely important if you're trying to build your brand and earn more using social media as an organic marketing channel. Our kits are built on a proven strategy that we know works. Everything from the brand design to the photos used to the content provided. So if you're ready to streamline your social media and see real results, visit www.jccreativemedia.co to get your hands on this template kit today. Each package comes with 450 templates and it's fully customizable and ready for you to use. You'll also find links to the specific color schemes that match your brand in the description below. And if you're new to templates, be sure to check out our tutorial video to get started. Thank you so much for watching today. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more product walkthroughs, get tips on how to elevate your business, and how to create more success with less stress. We'll see you next time with more tips to help you grow.